Hello everybody, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 13th of November 2022. So let us start from class 8th subject physics. So our first question is, fluid pressure is always directed. So we have to give the direction of fluid pressure. So we know that the pressure inside fluid is always transmitted in all possible directions. So the correct option will be the option D. Next question is, which combination of statement is correct? So out of these statements we have to find out which of the statements are correct. So the first statement is, force is a physical quantity which can increase or decrease the speed of a moving body. As we know that force is an external effect which can change the state of motion. That it means it can change the speed of any moving body and also the shape and size of body, also the direction of motion of body. So the first option is absolutely correct. The second statement is, the strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. It is also a correct statement. The third one is, one body cannot apply force on other body if they are not in contact. It is a wrong statement because force are of two types, contact force and non-contact force. A body can apply force on another body without contact, just like a magnetic force, electrostatic force. Next statement is, frictional force is an example of contact force. It is a correct statement. The last statement, without involving force, shape of a body cannot be changed. It is very true, as we have discussed in first statement also. This is also a correct statement. So the correct option will be 1, 2, 4 and 5. Option C will be the correct answer. Next question is, friction between two objects is caused due to. We have to find out of these four options which is correct. So what is the cause of friction out of these four options? Softness decreases the friction. Atmospheric pressure does not provide friction. Magnetism do not also provide friction. So here the correct answer will be irregularities. So if any shape is having irregularities, that means it will cause friction between two sliding objects. So correct option is answer option B. Next question is, when a balloon is rubbed with a piece of synthetic cloth and brought near to a wall, it sticks to the wall due to. So whenever we rub two objects, they acquire charge. One body acquire positive charge, another body acquire negative charge, due to which they apply an electrostatic force between both of the objects. So the correct answer will be option B. Next question is, if 45 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 dyne force is exerted on the area of 2 centimeter square of an object, calculate the pressure produced by the force. So we have to calculate the value of pressure and we have given values, that means force, which is 45 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 dyne. So we have to convert it into Newton because the answers are given in Pascal. So as we know that 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. So in that case, this is equals to the 45 Newton. Similarly, the area is given in centimeter square. That means A is given 2 centimeter square, which we have to convert into meter square, which becomes 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 4 meters. Now we have to calculate the value of pressure. We know that the formula for pressure is force divided by contact area, which will become 45 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 4, which becomes 22.5 multiplied by, when we shift this 10 raised to power minus 4 in numerator, the sign of power changes, which becomes 4, and this is Pascal. Okay, so out of these four options, we do not having this value, so correct answer will be the option D. Next question, we have here two columns and we have to match the relative quantities. Okay, so first of all, I am matching the first quantity, muscular force. As we know that out of these four, a ball of dough is rolled into a flat chapati. So we are applying muscular force. So for muscular force it will be 4. So out of these 4 options, in A and B option we are having P for 4. So we have to check which is correct out of A and B. So next is electrostatic force. We know that when a plastic comb attracts small thin pieces of paper, it is due to because the comb acquires some nature of charge and applies electrostatic force on the pieces of paper. So for this it is 3. Magnetic force, as we know that hard drives and some electronic equipments, hard drives and electronic equipments uses the magnetic effect. So magnetic force is correlated with hard drives. And friction force, as we know that shooting stars, that means a piece of rock coming from space and which is burning due to friction. So friction force is related with shooting stars. So let us check which is the correct option. So it is 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. That means correct answer is option A. Next question and the last question of physics subject. A bicycle starts moving on a rough road and accelerating. Friction force applied by the road on the rear and front wheels of a bicycle. As we know that both the wheels are rolling on the surface, so we have to check the direction of rolling friction on the both of the wheels. As we know that the direction of rolling friction on the powered wheel is always in the direction of motion, and on other wheel it will be opposite to the direction of motion. So we know that in a bicycle the powered wheel is the rear wheel, so on the friction force on the rear wheel will be in the direction of motion and on the front tire will be opposite to the direction of motion. So the correct answer is option C, that is in the direction of motion on rear wheel and opposite to the direction of motion on the front wheel. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the MOF answer key of class 8th of subject chemistry. Our first question is, match the following columns. Column 1 is polyester, spandex, nylon, rayon, acrylic. And in column 2, there are the items which we are make from these items like saris, dresses, suits, jackets, shirt, etc. Sweater, socks, shawl, etc. Shirts, tires, lining, saris, socks, stocking, etc. And swimming costumes, caps and t-shirt. Nylon is, first of all, here the first is polyester. Polyester is used in making saris, dresses, suits, jacket, shirt, etc. And spandex is used in making the swimming costumes, caps, t-shirt, etc. Whereas acrylic is used in the sweaters, and here the nylon is used in saris, socks and stocking, and the rayon is used in shirts, tie lining, etc. So here option A is correct. Next question is, uniform of fireman is coated with. Option A Teflon, option B rayon, and option C PVC, and option D melamine. The uniform of fireman is coated with the fire resistant material which is also used in the kitchenware. So here the correct answer is melamine. So option D is correct. Next question is, to identify the type of plastic a specific number is allotted to plastic product. This number represent option A durability of plastic product, option B electrical conductivity of plastic product, option C thermal resistance of plastic product, and option D recycling of a plastic product. So here the correct option is option D, that is recycling of a plastic product. We identify how a type of a plastic is can be recycled or not. So here the correct answer is recycling of a plastic product, that is option D. Next question is, which among the following element is a metalloid? First of all, what is metalloid? Metalloid is the element which have same property like metals with and non-metals. Those have some common properties with metals and some common properties with non-metal are known as a metalloid. So here all the given option are beryllium, barium, boron and bismuth. In these 4 option, the correct answer is boron. Boron is a metalloid which has some common or similar properties with metal and a non-metal. So boron is a metalloid. Option C is correct here. Next question is the metal which is least reactive. Option A, silver. Option B, gold. Option C, copper. And option D, platinum. In these, we can tell about these element, this reactivity of element by the reactivity series. So in the reactivity series, platinum is at the bottom, at the below of gold. So here the correct answer of a metal which is least reactive is platinum. Option D is correct here. Now, the last question is, oxide formed by an element X turns blue litmus red. Element X is option A, phosphorus. The correct spelling is option A, phosphorus. Option B, sodium. Option C, iron. And option D. So here, oxide formed by element which turn blue litmus red. This is a property of acids. So as we know that is metal oxides are basic in nature. And non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So in these all option, sodium and iron is a metal, whereas phosphorus is a non-metal. So here, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, which turn blue litmus into red. So correct option is option A. Correct answer is option A, that is phosphorus. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 8th Science part 3rd Biology. Our first question is, which type of irrigation is similar to the rainfall? First option is moat, it is a traditional method. Second is sprinkler system. Third is rahat, it is also a traditional method, and drip system. As we all know that sprinkler system and drip system are the part of modern system, but in drip system water given to the drop by drop to the plant, and in sprinkle system it is like a rainfall. So the correct option will be option B. Next question, which of the following tool helps in the uniform distribution of seeds while sowing? As we all know that sowing is the process of putting seeds inside the soil. So the most appropriate option for this will be seed drill. Seed drill is the instrument which is used for the sowing. Next question is, fish is a good for health. We get cod liver fish oil from the fish. Which is the source? As we all know that vitamin B as we get from the vegetables and the fruits. Vitamin C we get from the lemon, and vitamin D we get from the fish cod liver fish oil. So the most appropriate answer will be option C. Next question, which of the following is not used as a food preservative? First is salt, it is used as a preservative. Second is sugar, it is also responsible for the food preservation. Vinegar, it is also used for the food preservation. And last option is methane, it is a poisonous gas, it can't be used for the food preservation. So the correct option will be option D. Next question, match the organism in column first with their action in the column second. First is microbes. Microbes resembles with the antibiotics. It help in formation of antibiotics. Single cell. As we all know, amoeba is a unicellular organism. It is made up of single cell. Curd is resembles with the lactic acid, and virus resembles with the influenza. Now move to the given options. Microbes resembles with the third. It is given only in one option. Now single cell resembles with the first. Q is first. Curd resembles with the second, and virus resembles with the fourth. So our correct option will be option A. Next question, the status of algae in the aquatic food chain. As we all know that algae is a photosynthesis in nature, so it will help as a producers. So the correct option will be option B. Next question, bacteria present in the root nodules of a pea. As we all know that bacteria is also found in the association with the leguminous plants. It helps in the fixation of nitrogen, and rhizobium is the bacteria which is help in nitrogen fixation. So option C will be correct. Thank you.
वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम MOF पेपर सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्लास 8th देखेंगे जो 13 नवंबर का है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू। तो रेशनल नंबर आर क्लोइड अंडर एडिशन, ये तो ट्रू होगा। रेशनल नंबर आर क्लोइड अंडर सब्सट्रैक्शन, ये भी ट्रू होगा। और ये है मल्टीप्लिकेशन और ये है डिवीजन। तो डिवीजन वाला जो है ना, इसमें क्लोज नहीं होता है, तो इसीलिए हमारा ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट चला जाएगा। ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं होगा। क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन इज नॉट एन इंटीजर। ये हमारा 5x हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा, x का वैल्यू यहाँ से 0 आएगा। ये हमारा 20 हो जाएगा, 4x 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, x का वैल्यू 5 आ जाएगा। ये हमारा कितना 12 हो जाएगा और इधर 4x हो जाएगा, x का वैल्यू 3 आ जाएगा, जो भी इंटीजर होगा। नॉट एन इंटीजर की बात कर रहा है, तो ये हमारा कितना 3x हो जाएगा और ये -5 हो जाएगा, x का वैल्यू -5/3 जो इंटीजर नहीं है। सी ऑप्शन हमारा करेक्ट चला जाएगा। फॉर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर। तो स्क्वायर के जो डायगोनल होते हैं वो बाइसेक्ट करते हैं ईच अदर। नेक्स्ट, द हाइट ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इन अ हिस्टोग्राम शोज दैट। क्या शो करता है? तो फ्रीक्वेंसी को शो करता है क्लास की। नेक्स्ट, इफ वन मेंबर ऑफ अ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट इज 2m। तो एक अगर 2m है बेटा, तो एक m² -1 होता है, एक m² +1 होता है। तो m² -1 m² +1, सेकेंड ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा। ऑप्शन बी हमारा करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, अ जैकेट वाज सोल्ड फॉर 1120 आफ्टर अलाउइंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20%। जब 20% का डिस्काउंट दिया गया तो 100 वाला जो सोल्ड किया होगा वो 80 में किया होगा। तो 80 का जो वैल्यू है वो 1120, 100 का वैल्यू अगर हम निकालेंगे तो 1400 आंसर आ जाएगा। क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, 1, द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स, नहीं। आइडेंटिटी फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स, नहीं। आइडेंटिटी फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर, यस। 1 × a कोई रेशनल नंबर है, इक्वल टू वही होगा जो रेशनल नंबर था। नेक्स्ट, for which of the following figures diagonals are perpendicular to each other। तो काइट में परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं ईच अदर। क्लियर है। तो काइट हमारा यही होता है, काइट, ये काइट होगा। और काइट के जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर होते हैं। नेक्स्ट, अ ज्योमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन शोइंग द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अ होल एंड इट्स पार्ट। तो ये हमारा जो पाई चार्ट होता है बेटा, तो ये होल पार्ट और पार्ट अपने खुद के पार्ट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, तो पाई चार्ट हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैन नेवर हैव द फॉलोइंग डिजिट इन इट्स वंस प्लेस। तो 8 नहीं होता है, यूनिट प्लेस पर 1 आ जाए तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो भी सकता है। किसी भी नंबर के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, अगर कोई नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो 1 भी आ सकता है यूनिट प्लेस, 0 भी आ सकता है और 6 भी आ सकता है, बट 8 नहीं आ सकता। बी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब। तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है, ये भी परफेक्ट क्यूब है, ये भी परफेक्ट क्यूब है। बी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा, जो परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है। ए बॉट अ टेप रिकॉर्डर फॉर 8,000, सोल्ड इट टू बी, B in turn sold it to C, each earning a profit of 20%। तो सबसे पहले A का वैल्यू लेट कर लेते हैं। लेट किया, A का जो कॉस्ट था वो 100 था। B को जब सोल्ड किया 20% प्रॉफिट पर, तो 120 हो जाएगा। बी ने सी को सोल्ड किया 20% पर, तो 144 हो जाएगा। इसका प्रॉफिट 24 है, इसका प्रॉफिट 20 है, तो बी का प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा है ए से। ए अर्न लेस प्रॉफिट देन बी, सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा। ए का जो प्रॉफिट है वो लेस है। नेक्स्ट, एक्स प्लस वाई डिवाइड बाई 2 इज अ रेशनल नंबर। ये एक रेशनल नंबर है। कौन? एक्स प्लस वाई डिवाइड बाई 2। तो ये किस किस के बीच लाई करेगा? एक्स और वाई के बीच लाई करेगा, तो ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा, बिटवीन एक्स एंड वाई। द डिजिट इन द टेंस प्लेस ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर इज 3। जो 10 प्लेस पर है वो 3 मोर देन है यूनिट प्लेस से। ये 10 प्लेस पर मान लिया, तो ये यूनिट प्लेस पर। नंबर हमारा है 10a प्लस बी, तो a इक्वल टू हो गया 3 प्लस बी, पुट कर देंगे a के जगह पर 10, ये हो गया हमारा 3 प्लस बी और ये प्लस बी, 10 भी ये 11 भी हो गया, ये 30 हो गया। क्लियर? ये 10 भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, तो 11 भी हो गया, प्लस 30 हो गया। ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स दैट अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल कैन हैव। एक कोई क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, उसके 4 एंगल्स होते हैं, तो ऑब्ट्यूज की बात अगर कर रहा है तो देखो टोटल सम की बात करोगे तो 360 हो गया, 360 हो गया, तो इसमें ऑब्ट्यूज जो है ना वो 3 हो सकते हैं, 390 से अधिक हो सकते हैं। क्लियर है? तो सी ऑप्शन हमारा करेक्ट हो जाएगा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट। टॉसिंग कॉइस होता है, रोलिंग अ डाई होता है, और चूजिंग अ कार्ड, तो हम एक कार्ड को चूज करते हैं, वो भी एक रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है। बट थ्रोइंग अ स्टोन, जब हम एक स्टोन को थ्रो करते हैं बिल्डिंग से या रूफ से, तो वो एक रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं होता है। ये कह रहा है फॉलोइंग इज नॉट रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट। क्लियर है? तो हमारा डी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन ऑड नंबर्स एन स्क्वायर होता है। अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, व्हाट शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाई दिस टू मेक्स अ परफेक्ट क्यूब। इसे डिवाइड करेंगे 5 3 2 4 0, 2 से डिवाइड किया 2 2 जा 2 6 जा 2 6 जा 2 2 जा 0, 2 बन जा 2 3 जा 2 3 जा 2 बन जा 0। नेक्स्ट, फिर 2 से डिवाइड कर लो, 2 से डिवाइड किया 6 जा 6 जा 5 जा 5 जा, 5 से डिवाइड कर लो 5 बन जा। क्लियर? 5 3 जा 5 3 जा 5 बन जा, ये 11 का क्यूब हो गया। क्लियर? तो ये हमारा क्यूब है, ये भी पार्ट क्यूब है, बट 5 जो है वो हमें रिमूव करना है, तो 5 से डिवाइड करना होगा। ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा। अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, द मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज 80 एंड सोल्ड इट 76। डिस्काउंट कितना हो गया? 4। किस पर हो गया? 80 पर। 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ये हमारा 20 से ये डिवाइड हुआ 5 टाइम्स, तो 5% हमारा आंसर हो गया। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन शोज दैट रेशनल नंबर्स आर एसोसिएटिव अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन। तो ये हमारा 2/3, ये रहा 2/3, -6/7 -6/7। क्लियर? 3/5 3/5। यस, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो गया। नेक्स्ट, इफ 2 एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम, तो 2 एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम कितना होता है? 180, तो 180 इसे रखेंगे तो ये 25x प्लस ये 30 इक्वल टू कितना सम होता है? 180, तो 25x का वैल्यू 150 और x का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 6। क्लियर? 6 पुट करेंगे तो ये 90 -5 85, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 60 प्लस 35 95, तो डिवाइड करेंगे तो 17:19 हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, द वैल्यू ऑफ, इसका वैल्यू चाहिए, ये 12 देगा, ये 64 हो गया, 8 देगा, ये 256 हो गया, इसका अंडर रूट करेंगे 16 आंसर हो गया। नेक्स्ट, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 20 का क्यूब 8000, 30 का क्यूब 27000, इसके बीच में ही है, यूनिट डिजिट 5 है, 25 आंसर, क्योंकि 20 और 30 के बीच में लाई करेगा 25. नेक्स्ट, इफ मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज 1200 एंड द डिस्काउंट इज 12%, देन द सेलिंग प्राइस, तो 12% इसका निकालना है, जो होगा 144 माइनस करेंगे 1056, ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, इज एन एग्जाम्पल टू शो दैट, तो ये a प्लस बी इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए है ना, क्या होता है, कॉम्यूटेटिव होता है, एडिशन है ना. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मैनी डायगोनल्स डज अ हेक्सागन, तो n माइनस 3 का यूज करेंगे, डिवाइड बाई 2, 6 साइड्स हो गई, ये 3 बचेगा, 2 करेंगे, 3 से डिवाइड, 9 आंसर हो गया, ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो गया. नेक्स्ट, द नेक्स्ट 2 नंबर्स इन नंबर पैटर्न, तो स्क्वायरिंग चल रहा है, 5 का स्क्वायर है, 6 और 7 का स्क्वायर, बी ऑप्शन हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, राधिका बॉट अ कार, इतने का कार खरीदा. नेक्स्ट ईयर इट प्राइस डिक्रीज बाई 10% एंड इट डिक्रीज बाई 12%, टोटल डिक्रीजमेंट चाहिए, तो 100 लेट करो, क्लियर. 10% डिक्रीज हो गया तो 90, यानी कि 10 डिक्रीज हुआ टोटल, ठीक है. 100 का 10% 10 होता है, क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, अब इसका 12% डिक्रीज हुआ, इसका जो 12% होगा वो कितना होगा, 108, ये 10.8 होगा. टोटल डिक्रीज कितना हुआ इन रुपीज, 10 ये 10.8 ये, तो 20.8 का डिक्रीज हुआ, तो ये 20.8% आ जाएगा आंसर. थैंक यू.
Hello my dear students, my name is Akash Chaudhary. I am your reasoning mentor. Today we are discussing Matrix Olympiad papers, class 8 part 5th of logical reasoning. Let's we start from question number first. As you see, the question number first is find the missing term. Our number series is 210, 120, question mark 24, 6, 0. As you see, this is 6q minus 6, 216 minus 6 is, this is 5q minus 5, this is 3q minus 3, 2q minus 2, 1q minus 1. What will become? Then you say 4q minus 4. Cube of 4 is 64 minus 4 equals 60. Our answer is 60. Option C is correct answer. Next question is 5, 6, 9, 14, 21. What is next term? 5 to 6 plus 1, 6 to 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is next number? Then you say plus 9. If we add the 9, our term is 30. Option A is correct answer. Next question is Ashok is facing north. This is our direction: east, west, north, south, northeast, that is southeast, that is southwest, and that is northwest. Ashok is facing north direction. He turns 45 degree clockwise. He turns 45 degree. He become northeast direction. Then he turns 90 degree in the anti-clockwise. 90 degree anti-clockwise. He will become northwest direction. Finally, he turns back. He turns back means he become southeast direction. Which direction is he facing now? Option southeast. Option A is correct answer. Next question is Rahul travels 10 km to the north. 10 km to the north. He turns to right and walk 5 km. Again, he turns to his right and walk 10 km. How many kilometer away from starting point? This is 10. This is 10. If this we find that this value, this is 5. This is also 5. Our answer is 5 km. Option D is correct answer. Our next question is in a row of boys, Syam is 9th from left and 13th from right. total number. Right plus left minus 1, 9 plus 13 minus 1. 9 plus 13 is 22, 22 minus 1 is 21. In another row of boys, Ram is 13th, another row total number. 13th plus 15th minus 1. 15 plus 13, 28 minus 1, 27. Find the number of total boys plus 21, 27 is 48. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, Suman ranks 19th in a class of 16 students. What is rank from last? Our formula is top plus bottom minus 1 equal total. 19th in a class plus bottom minus 1, number of total boys is given 60. 1 minus subtracted from 90, that bottom plus 18 equals 16. If we will find the value of bottom, 16 minus 18 is equal to 42. Our correct option is option A is correct answer. Next question is, if minus means plus, plus means into, divide means minus, into means plus, then which of the following equation is correct? If we take the option number first, 12, divide means minus 4, plus means into 5, into means plus 8, and minus means divide 2 equal 36. 8 is divided by 2, that is 4. 5 into 4, that is 20. 52 minus 20 plus 4. 52 plus 4 is 56. Minus 20 equal is 36. Our equation is balanced. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, find out the two signs to be interchanged for making following equation correct. 5 plus 3 into 8 minus 12 divide 4 equal 3. If we take first option, if we interchange the plus and minus, that 5 minus 3 into 8 plus 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 12 is divided by 4, that is 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 5 minus 24 plus 3 equal 3. That is not correct. Option A is not correct. If we take the option number second, 5 plus 3 into 8 minus 12 divide 4 equal 3. Minus and divide. 5 plus 3 into 8 divided by 12 minus 4 equal 3. 5 plus 3 into 8 upon 12 minus 4 equal 3. That is 4. 4 to the 8. 5 plus 2, 7 minus 4 is equal 3. Option B is correct answer. Our next question is, choose the correct water image. If we show the water image, this arrow is shows this way. Only option A is correct answer. Option A. Next question is, choose a figure which would be most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure. This circle is shown here, this is here. Option C, yani third, option C is correct answer. Thank you very much.